we are discussing one important result that we have to remember. This result we have to remember. So according to this result, integration of 0 to pi by 2 ln of sin x dx. Okay, this value will come what? Minus pi by 2 ln 2. This value will come out minus pi by 2 ln 2. Okay, and if you use here property, okay, so what property we can use here? Integration of a to b fx dx. This is equal to what? Integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So we are using this property. So according to this property, we can write this one as what? Integration 0 to pi by 2 ln of sine of pi by 2 minus x into dx. So this will come out integration 0 to pi by 2 ln of sine pi by 2 minus x what? Cos x. So this will become ln of cos x dx. So this value what will come? Because this is equal to this one and this is equal to this one, so we can say that this value will come what? Minus pi by 2 ln 2. So from here we can say that integration 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x dx equal to minus pi by 2 ln 2, and same value will come what? Integration 0 to pi by 2 ln cos x dx will what will come? Minus pi by 2 ln 2. So this we have to remember. Now we will discuss proof. Okay, so if you prove this one, then automatically we can prove this also, because we know these two are equal. Because if you use this property, we can say that integration 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x dx equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 ln cos x dx. That we can say. Okay, so we are discussing proof of this one. So integration of 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x dx. So here we are using property. What property we are using? Okay, so here we are using property integration 0 to 2a fx dx. So this one we can write integration 0 to a fx plus f of 2a minus x dx. This property we are using. Okay, so this one we can write what? Integration 0 to pi by 4 ln sin x plus ln of sine of pi by 2 minus x dx. This will come. So this one we can write integration 0 to pi by 4 ln sin x plus ln of sine pi by 2 minus x what? Cos x. Okay, and here is what? Positive sign. So we are using property here ln of m plus ln of n. So this one we can write ln of m into n. This property we are using. So what we can write this one? Integration 0 to pi by 2 in bracket ln of, this will come what? Sin x into sine pi by 2 minus x what? Cos x. So sin x into cos x dx. This will come. So this one we can write integration 0 to pi by 4 ln of, this one we can write what? Sin 2x divided by 2 dx. This one we can write. So here we are using logarithmic property. Ln of m by n we can write ln m minus ln n. So this one we can write what? Okay, after this one we are writing here integration 0 to pi by 4 ln sin 2x minus ln 2 dx. So this will come what? 0 to, see this is what we are assuming, this one is what? I. So this is equal to what? I. This is equal to what? I. This is equal to I. So here also we can write I. So I equal to what become? 0 to pi by 4 ln sin 2x into dx minus integration 0 to pi by 4 ln 2 dx. This will come. Next what we will do here in this integration 2x equal to what we will take? T. So from here 2 into dx equal to what will become? Dt. Okay, so this integration will become what? I equal to, this one what will come here, see lower limit is what? 0. So if you put 0 here, t value what will come? 0. Now if I put pi by 4 here, so 2 into pi by 4 what will come? Pi by 2. Okay, ln of sine of, instead of 2x what you can write? T. So sine t, and dx equal to what will come? Dt by 2. this will come. Okay, minus ln2 is what? Outside. ln2 is outside. 0 to pi by 2 dx. So this one integration will come at x. And limit is what? 0 to pi by 4. This will come. Okay, so here what will come? I equal to 1 by 2 is outside. Integration 0 to pi by 2 ln sin t dt minus ln2. Here what will come? Pi by 4 minus 0. This will come. Okay, now what will come here? I equal to 1 by 2. Now instead of t, if I put x here, okay, so instead of t we are putting x, so there is no change. So this integration will come at 0 to pi by 2 ln of sin x dx minus pi ln2 divided by 4 will come. Okay, 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x dx. So this is nothing but I only. I is what? 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x dx. So instead of this one we can write I. So I equal to what will come? 1 by 2 into I minus ln2 divided by 4 into pi. So here if you take this side, so what will come? I by 2 equal to minus pi ln2 divided by 4. So here 4 divided by 2 is what? 2 will come. So I equal to what will come? Minus pi by 2 ln2. This is your proof. Next result is, if I have integration 0 to pi ln of sin x, okay, into dx, this one what will come? Okay, so this value will come at minus pi ln2. This will come. Now we will discuss proof. Okay, proof is what? Here we are using property. What property we are using? Integration 0 to 2a fx dx. So this one we can write out integration 0 to a fx plus f of 2a minus x dx. This property we are using. So this will come what? Integration 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x plus ln of sin pi minus x dx. This will come. So this called integration 0 to pi by 2 in bracket ln sin x plus sin pi minus what? Sin x. So this is also ln sin x dx. So ln sin x plus ln sin x, 2 times ln sin x. So this will be 2 times 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x dx. So this is called 2 times integration 0 to pi by 2 ln sin x dx is nothing but what? Minus pi by 2 ln2. So this one we will write minus pi by 2 ln2. So here 2 getting cancelled, what will come? Minus pi ln2. This is your proof. So we can say integration 0 to pi ln sin x dx is what? Minus pi ln2. This will come.